Hey y'all, so I am coming in to do a update on my weight loss with the Iaso Detox Tea, all three flavors because I use all of them really, and I've been taking the NutriBurst too. So I also want to show you guys like kind of what I eat in a day too, because I know a lot of people ask like, well, what are you doing? Like, do you do something extra and everything? As far as eating wise, I mean, I'm not gonna say I eat horrible, but I mean, I still eat like what I want, and I kind of eat a lot still. So it's really just about kind of balancing yourself out and getting certain things in. So anyways, I know you clicked this video first because you probably want to know about the weight. So since my last video, I am now 235. And you know, when I did my first weigh-in, I was 245, and at this point I think it's been like 4 weeks. I'll be done in a sec. It's been like 4 weeks, so that kind of puts me at losing like 1 point something a week or whatever, which is pretty good. However, I do want to amp that up, and I'm kind of aiming for like, you know, a couple pounds a week. It might seem extreme for you or whatever, but like that's just what I want to do, and that's what I will do. So yes, I'm 235, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to eat. I just came back from doing my miles. I think I did like 2.5-ish miles, and so yeah, I did the 2.5 miles. And so now I'm going to, I took the NRG before, well, as soon as I came back in the door, I took an NRG, and I'm still trying to find my balance with the NRG because I feel like for me, like it doesn't dissolve quickly in my body or something. Like, I don't know, it's not gonna absorb fast because I feel like it hits me like the next day I'm like wide awoke, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so I'm gonna do the NutriBurst. And for breakfast I'm going to have this. It's like the Hormel Natural Choice bacon. It says no preservatives, but I really don't care. I eat like kind of whatever bacon. It's just that this is all they had on the shelf, so this is why I got it. I mean, you don't really have to be bougie and get a certain type of bacon, but yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna eat this, and I think I have like 2 slices left of some Great Value bacon that I had in there. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna cook around 4 slices, I think. I think I'm going to do 4 slices. I cook my slices, but I cut them in half, so it'll feel like 8 pieces to me. But anyways, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to eat, so I'm going to get some pancakes. I'm going to do microwave pancakes today because I just don't want to cook any. And if you go to Walmart, they'll have, I'll show you, but I'm just not in my spots yet, but they have the little pancakes that's like 3 in a pack that you just microwave. Yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to fry me 2 eggs. I'm going to fry 2 eggs. I'm going to fry 2 eggs, I'm going to eat the bacon, and I'm going to get do the pancakes, and that's what I'll have for breakfast. I'm going to go ahead and take this NutriBurst now, and then I'm going to start my breakfast, and yeah, I'll take you guys with me all day to see, you know, what I eat, and I'll probably you know, do this breakfast, take me a shower, and then get dressed. I have some wholesale orders to pack, and then, you know, I'll have lunch. My eating time frame has been like 12 to 8-ish, so I kind of been sticking in that time frame as well with food. So sometimes I eat pretty late, and so it kind of makes it seem like I'm stacking my food on top of each other, but I just try to make sure I'm done with everything by 8. And so right now it is 12:57, so it's almost 1 o'clock. By the time I eat, it'll probably be a little bit after 1. But yeah, I'm still going to go ahead and eat, make me some coffee, and do that. So I'll check with you guys in a little bit. Hey y'all, so I am extremely late. Like, it's, I probably should have been late cooking at like 7, but it's a little bit after. It's kind of hard, like when I fast and stuff. It's like I don't know, like I don't know if my stomach's shrinking or what, but it's like I don't remember to like eat, like talking about, it's not I don't remember to eat, but I'm not like hungry or whatever. And so, and then I eat a lot too, but you know what I'm saying, like I eat a lot. I mean, when I ate the fish earlier, I wasn't really hungry yet because it was kind of like just like a couple hours after breakfast. And my breakfast is pretty big, eating like 3 of those pancakes. I mean, it's a whole lot of carbs and stuff, which I don't typically do because like I said, I've been trying to stay like low carb ish or whatever. But yeah, so I wasn't really hungry. So now I typically have tacos at night because I just like ground meat. I don't know, I can eat a taco every day though. But I'm gonna try this. It's called egg roll in a bowl, and I seen it on a couple channels, and I think I seen like on the Keto Connect channel too. I don't know, but anyways, it's gonna be with some ground meat, cabbage, and like carrots and onions and stuff. So I'm gonna try it. I think I might separate some of the ground meat in case I don't like it, and then I can just make me a taco. But I think I'm gonna like it because I don't know, I'm more of a, if you have like a lot of ingredients, like ingredients that you like, you know what I'm saying, and something like, I like ground meat, I like cabbage, I like onion, so I might like it. Like, I don't know, but anyways, let's go ahead and cook it. Let me see if I like this, you guys. Let's see. I did taste it. I tasted before I put the stuff in my mouth.
You're so crazy today. You think that's crazy? Wait till you see this. Let's fly! No, don't!
I like it.
I don't want to look.
I actually like it.
Oh my God!
Seems like it's gonna be pretty filling too. Let me lower my TV down. It's really, really loud. Pretty good. So I'm gonna have that, you guys. I'm gonna have that. Probably gonna put a little more soy sauce in it, but whew, the flavor is so good. I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna have one of these to drink. Also, the tea. At what point I take the tea is after lunch. So after I had the tilapia and the broccoli, that's when I did the 2 packs of the original tea. And then now I'm gonna have this dinner right here, which is this bowl, and I'm gonna drink one of these. It's the Coke Life with the cane sugar and stevia. Yeah, so I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat this bowl of stuff. And yeah, so that is what I eat in a day. I'm going to be very full, I'm pretty sure, because for the most part I'll never be like starving or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and I'll see you guys for the next update, which will probably be a weigh-in at the end of the week. Bye.